students, now it's a time for your SST class. Let's start with chapter number 2, page 11, the earth, its surface and movements. I know you have already learnt about the universe, the Milky Way, Big Bang theory and the solar system in the previous chapter. So let's start with this chapter, that's chapter number 2. As we all know that we have total 8 planets in our solar system. Out of those 8 planets, Earth is the only planet where we live. This picture shows that the Earth is round in shape. It just looks like a ball. But is it completely round? No, it is slightly flattened at the top as well as at the bottom side. And the Earth is exactly compared with the orange. Orange is the best example of Earth. See, it is flattened at the top side as well as at the bottom side, and it is bulging at the middle side. The top flattened end is called the North Pole and the bottom end is called South Pole. Now let's start with the next topic, that is atmosphere. As the Earth is the only planet that has life, there are some reasons for this. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air that is called atmosphere, and that air we breathe comes from this layer. It has the right temperature. Do you know why they have used the term right temperature? Because the Earth is the only planet which is neither too hot nor too cold. It is perfect for us to live. That is why here life exists. Now the third topic is the Earth's surface. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 1/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with land. Means total 71% of the Earth is covered with water, whereas 29% of the Earth is covered with land. You can see this picture above. People live on land, animals, plants live on both land and water. Water is very important for all of us. So we can see the presence of air, water and right temperature makes life possible on Earth. As if we will not get water, we will not be able to live. So the Earth is the only planet where we get air, water and right temperature, and it only helps to make life possible on Earth. Let's start with did you know? From space the Earth looks like blue in color because most of its surface is covered with water. That is why the Earth is also called the blue planet. You have to learn these did you knows for the exam as well.